All right, I would like to go over the picture of how to draw the picture for the mazes activity. Now, I told you the things that were being related were the rooms. So, and these guys are also considered rooms, entrance and exit. So, I'm going to draw the vertices over here. Here's A, here's B, here's C. I'm going to put room M here. I'm going to put D here. So here's M, here's D. I'm going to put E, F, and G right here. And here's the entrance, here's the exit. Okay. Now, I'm going to start with room A. Now, room A, I know, connects to room B. So I'm going to draw an edge. I know that A connects to room M, so I'm going to draw an edge. And I know that A connects to room F, so I'm going to draw an edge. Now, these don't have to be perfect lines. I have not drawn one perfect line yet. Although, days when I get perfect lines, it makes me happy. So that's all the rooms that are coming, that's all the hallways that are coming out of A. So let's look at room B. I have one connection to room D, and I've already represented the connection to room A. I have all the connections out of B. This goes nowhere, so we just ignore it. So let's look at room C. I have 2 doors out of room C. One of them goes to D, and so does the other one. So I'm going to put a multiple edge between C and D. And I'm going to make these vertices a little beefier so we can really see what we're doing here. Now, from room M, I'm going to go to room M because we only have one more connection out of room M. That goes to room F. So, M to F, right there. Now, I still need to address the rest of the doors out of room D. I need to address room G, and I need to address room E. I'm going to go ahead and finish D. D has a door coming out here, going down, and that goes to G. So D to G. This part from D goes up, down, around, and ends right back up at G. So we have a multiple edge from D to G. Now we have one more door out of D. And that goes all the way down to the exit. That is the only one that goes to the exit. Now, let's look at room F. I have an edge between E and F. And I have an edge between F and the entrance. This is not done. There is more doors out of E. We need to see where these go. So this door goes out, around, and back into room E. So there is a loop at room E. You come out of this door and go around and go back into E. There is a second loop at room E. You need to have both of the loops listed on this graph in order for it to be right. Some of you guys, I just drew it on because it was the only mistake you made. Other people completely neglected the entrance and exit, and there were times that the picture was not close enough to this. It doesn't have to look exactly like this. Your vertices don't have to be in the exact same formation that I put them in, but it needs to be similar or isomorphic to this graph. So when I was looking at your group work, I was looking at the picture and making sure that you were able to represent the connections necessary. I won't always send back your group work. I just want to make sure that you guys have a good, solid foundation for the rest of the class, because if you falter here, you'll falter later, and I don't want that to happen. So hopefully this helps. Stay tuned for the security guard and postman and the bridges videos.